One of the things I love about green beans is their versatility. I love them steamed, charred, hot, or cold. Today, I'm gonna make an amazing green bean salad. I start with 1.5 pounds of green beans. I'm gonna trim these beans and cut them into 1 to 2 inch pieces. All right, this is the last bunch of our beans. Now we're just gonna head over to the stove. Okay, I have 2 quarts of water boiling here, all set to blanch our beans. To this, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of salt. That's a lot of salt, but it's gonna make a difference. I'm just gonna let that come back to a boil, and then I'm gonna add the beans. So this is gonna take 5 to 8 minutes. We want the green beans in our salad to be tender, but not turn army green. Let's take a look at how the salt can give us the best of both worlds. Green beans, like most plants, are composed of cells that are held together by pectin. That pectin is held in place with the help of calcium ions. To cook green beans until they are tender, you have to heat them until the pectin that cements their cells together starts to dissolve. It can take more than 10 minutes to get them as tender as we want, but that prolonged heat also alters the bright chlorophyll in the beans, turning it drab green. But there's a simple and tasty way to get our beans to cook up tender and green. Salt and plenty of it. When we cook green beans in water that's as salty as seawater, a whole 1/4 cup of salt in 2 quarts of water, they soften faster. The sodium from the salt replaces some of the calcium ions that are holding the beans' pectin cement together. This allows the cement to dissolve more quickly, and that means we don't have to cook the beans as long, and they keep their bright green color. Cooking green beans in heavily salted water has another benefit. It comes out wonderfully pre-seasoned, making our green bean salad taste just as good as it looks. So we've boiled these green beans for 7 minutes. I drained them in a colander, and now I'm gonna put them in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. What happens in an ice bath is called shocking. This is how we keep the bright green color to the green beans. Now I'm gonna use the salad spinner to spin these beans dry, because if we don't, we'll have a watery salad dressing, and you don't want that. All right, the green beans are dry. Now we can finish with the rest of our ingredients. I'm gonna start with 12 ounces of cherry tomatoes, halved. And I'm just gonna add them to the bowl with the green beans. Now we're gonna do some herbs. First up is mint. I like to take the leaves and just stack them together, roll them over, and give it a chop. All right, we're looking for about 2 tablespoons. This looks great. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley as well, a tablespoon of lemon juice just to brighten things up a little bit, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna eyeball it a little bit. Now I'm gonna give this salad a good toss to make sure everything's covered in oil and seasonings. These beans look bright and delicious. All right, I'm just gonna clean up and then we're ready to serve. I think this beautiful salad deserves a beautiful presentation. I'm just going to put it on the platter, pile it nice and high so everyone can see all the work you've done with these beans. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna be queen of backyard parties this year. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna finish this off with a 1/2 cup of crumbled feta. There we go. I love this flavor profile, but go to our website for other variations. I'm so excited to try it. This looks amazing. I'm just gonna help myself. Wow, that's perfect. Those beans are already tender, I can tell. There's nothing like a flavorful, tender green bean salad. This is a star. This is a salad that tastes as good as it looks. If you want to make this flavorful salad at home, remember to use a lot of salt in the water and use a salad spinner to dry the beans. From America's Test Kitchen at home, beautiful green bean salad with cherry tomatoes and feta.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.